Okay guys, let's see how to add administrator account in Windows 11. So the first method is change an existing user to administrator. To do that, first you need to go to start menu, go to setting. In the left side menu, you need to select accounts option. Then after, scroll down and tap on family and other users. So you can choose your account. In this case, this is the other account. Simply tap on this arrow icon, tap on change account type option. So you can see it is currently administrative account. You can select either standard user or administrative. Once you're done with that, tap on OK. The next method is create a new administrative account. To do that, again you need to come to the account section and again scroll down and tap on family and other users and tap on add account in the add the other user option. Tap on it here. In this case, if you don't know what the Microsoft account of that person, you can tap on I don't have this person sign in information. So in this menu, you can either create new account or you can simply tap on add a user without a Microsoft account option. So you can enter the name for that account and password, same password again. You can add the security section one by one, like this. Once you're done with that, you can tap on next. So this will create new user account in your computer. Once it is created, I'm going to close this one. It will show in this menu. So you can change the account type by just tap on this drop down menu, tap on change account type again. So you can choose is it administrative account or standard user. Please remember, administrative account has more privileges than a standard user. So yes, this is how you can add an administrative account on Windows 11. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe my channel and liking this video.